morning, this is this channel. So this is a Mitsubishi Pajero. This is the model.
Sabi ko, kung baguhan na kayo sa channel ko, please subscribe my channel, Diggs Channel. Ito lang sabi ko, dalawang saludo, dalawang upload, yun o.
6074. Isang model. Open this one, this is for the gasoline. Okay. Step the fuel filter assembly is in at the back. This is the in the lower portion of the right hand side. Okay, sa ilalim mismo. Actually tinanggal ko na ito. This one here, we have a cover. So pull out the fuel pump assembly. So this is a change of fuel filter. So they have a socket like this, so pull out the wire or also mga connector. Okay. So this one pull out now. Hey guys, good afternoon. So ito yung natanggalan natin yung already pull out the fuel pump assembly. So this is a fuel pump assembly of Mitsubishi Pajero. Okay. So this is the new one, the filter assembly. Okay, this is the part number. Next, pull out this one, the strainer. Okay, dismantle. First this one. Okay, after that one, so this is the I make it slowly. Out. Also they have a connector wire. Okay, this is the connector. The connector wire. This is connector wire for the motor pump or pump nya. So now, okay, this pump. So they have a O-ring here. So the O-ring, careful. The O-ring is here is it inside? You see the hole. So they have a black one. So this is the O-ring. So you return this one, the O-ring. This one. So this is the O-ring. You see, this is a different now. So put here. So put a little grease. So careful, and you have the hole. So may butas to siya, ha? So kailangan mo lang ito lang sa gilid. Put beside. Okay. So it's pull out the housing. This will pull out the filter. So make the lock like this. Make it slowly. So careful this one to okay. So this is the filter. So careful the o-ring this one, huh? So make it lubricate also. Okay, lubricate. Also here, lubricate the o-ring. 3 o-ring, huh? 3 o-ring this one. Okay. Also careful this one. So make it sure the rubber must be lubricated the o-ring. Okay. Now it's already finished. Very sure. So this is the part number of the filter. Okay. So this is make it slow for dismantle or excuse me, for install. Put first here, you see, push. Okay, after that one, so they have the o-ring. Careful, to prevent damage. Okay, make it center this one. Okay, so kailangan dahan-dahanan nyo. Yun. Ngayon, sintro na siya. So, mayroong kasi ito siyang lock. They have a lock. Okay. Make it push. Like this. Okay. Okay. Now, it is slowly push. You see? The lock. 2, 3. So put the pump. So make it center the hole, huh? Okay. So make it push. Okay. After that one, so the cover stopper. So the connector here. So put this one. Now it's already finished to install the dismantle and install. So this is the gasket. Okay. Put the gasket. Already finished. So this is the old one, okay. Now it's already finished to install the fuel filter, and this is a fuel pump assembly. So make it lubricated so that very easy to put the hose. Okay. So here. now ready to put inside the car. You? So no, it's already finished. Actually, this is the center, huh? You see? This one, the arrow, must be front. Okay? This is the position. So example, huh? This is ISU outside. So they have a lock like this. Okay, so this is the position. Okay, ito na install na. So they finish. So make it play this one forward, backward. So it's already careful this one, huh? Like this one. So already finished. Socket. Now it's already finished.